Hello, everybody. Welcome to DIY at the Library. My name is Ross Scoggin, and I'm going to be your host for today.
Yay!
And today, we're going to make these fun-filled bear paws.
Oh!
So let's take a look at what materials we're going to need to make one of these fun bear paws. First of all, you'll need paper plates. In fact, you'll need 2 of them.
Aha!
You'll need construction paper, or at least some other kind of paper.
Mm-hmm.
Scissors. Glue, though in this case we're going to use glue dots again today, just because of expediency.
Mm-hmm.
As well as crayons, markers, or anything else that you have lying around to color your bear paw.
Yay!
So, let's begin. To start, go on ahead and stack your paper plates together, just like so.
Awesome.
And we're going to cut a strip basically about 1/3 of the way up the plate, so about here-ish. It doesn't have to be in a particular spot, but make sure that they're together so that way you cut them both out and they're the same size. So I'm going to start cutting them thusly. Yes, thusly.
Mm-hmm.
Once it's done, you should have 2 equally sized pieces of paper plate.
Mm-hmm.
So, huzzah there.
Yes.
We'll take the other strips, set them aside. We don't need those for anything. And then we can go on ahead and take one side and go on ahead and color in the paw shape.
Mm.
So to do that, you just make a central circle and 3 additional circles, so that it'll look more or less like this when you're done.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead and color these in real quick. And done. So once we have the shape here, the next part is getting the little bear claws.
Mm.
So we take another one of our sheets of paper, and you'll notice that I folded this paper into thirds, hot dog style, as my teachers used to call it.
Yes.
And that way we can get 3 claws, all of the exact same size. So I'm going to cut out a triangle shape out of the paper here.
Mm-hmm.
And so now, easy peasy, we have 3 claws.
Yay!
The next step is to take our claws and attach them to the paper plate with the paw shape on it. So I'm going to go on ahead and get out some of these glue dots. And obviously if you have just regular glue at home, that works too. And I put one of the glue dots near each one of the circles for the paw pads, just so that way it looks a little better, spaced them out enough, though admittedly, your bear can have a very strange number of claws if you want. Your bear could have 20 if you really wanted to do that.
That's true.
I've never seen a bear with 20 claws, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. So now to attach the final claw. And there we go.
Ta-da!
So our bear paw is looking pretty fearsome. We've got claws, we've got the bear paw itself, but now we need to attach the other paper plate. So that way you can actually wear the thing. So to do that, you put more glue dots down or use more glue. And I'm going to put them once again at the claws, but I'm also going to distribute them around the top. So that way you form a nice seal. And you can wear the claw without fear of it breaking apart. All right, so that's the last of the glue dots I'm going to put on. So now we take the other paper plate, carefully measure it up with the other side of the plate so that way they match as close as possible. And then just press down at the seams where the glue dots are. So that way you get yourself a nice, strong bond. Make sure that claw stays nice and tight together. Okay, and we're done. Ta-da!
Yay!
So, of course, for bear claws, you can also color the outside of the paw different colors. Today, we decided to go for a polar bear just because it's simpler to show off that way. But, of course, you can go brown, black, honestly, any color of bear. Whatever color of bear you want to be. And so now, I'm going to go have some fun. But we'll be seeing you around, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you very much for tuning in to DIY at the Library.
Yay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Raw.
There's a bear behind you. Run!